It's a windy day, but here we are at the skate park as promised in some previous episodes. So here we are with the Stampede at the skate park, baby. We is going to send it, check the durability. This is the first time I've ever bring some RCs to the, skate park here, but I'm going to give it my best shot here. It is so absolutely bright out here. I can't see. I never tried a backflip with this. I don't think it's got the guts in it. Can we backflip? Give it a little bit of a run up. Oh, no. She don't got the beans in it. Man. Oh, I landed. Nice. Shot right through the gap of the fence there. Oops. Ah. Oh, right on the nose. And she flipped again. Oh man, the skate park is absolute blast. It is absolutely windy out here though. So majority of this is going to be dubbed over in music. Oh man, this is an absolute blast out here. Oh, these concrete landings are so hard though. Those freaking nosedives. I will say these Stampedes are an absolute tank. This thing can take so much abuse, and it just loves it. Well, yo. This thing is running like an absolute champion today. I'm having so much fun. This is great. Oh, those nose dives is doing some work on my bumper. Actually, it's not that bad. Oh, I think my LED stopped working. No, my headlights. All my headlights. They're all done. There's a little information for you. The light kit that you can put on the bumpers does not last at the skate park. So if you're going to bash it, all right, we're going to give it the full beans from this ramp, running up that ramp. All right, let's go. Oh. Oh. She's taking the abuse though. Sunday. And back at the workshop, guys. I figured I'd show you guys the new workshop, and yes, I am in the room with all my guitars to show off my little collection right there. I know you guys aren't here to see that, but we got a tin foil hat stitch. Awesome. And this is my new little setup. We got white wall. We got the logo in the background, baby. Absolutely awesome. Oops, got my mics out. Whoops. But we're back at the shop with the Stampede, and we're going to be going over the little damages that we got here. But overall, this thing is an absolute tank. Super durable, but we do have a couple issues. Now, first things first, we did get a little bit of body damage. If you guys could check that out. We got some splits in the front bumper here. We have a split right here on the body. We got some splits on the back bumper here, but I just went ahead and got some duct tape and I kind of put it on the inside, kind of stuck it real good, made it like 3 layers thick here, just so we could like keep the body from splitting anymore. We don't want any more damage. But also my bumper lights have stopped working. Now I'm pretty sure it's from the concrete slats. When I was jumping on the skate park, those concrete slats put like a huge shock wave through the whole truck, and it ends up frying electronics. So the little electronic thing for the headlights and taillights right here, it like every time I touch it like that, it'll flicker. So I'm gonna end up taking off all the wiring and stuff and putting on the stock bumpers, because there's no point in having all this extra wiring if it's not gonna do anything, you know what I mean? Another thing we did lose is the dust cap cover on the receiver here. So I can't be running it in water, but I figured in the meantime, until I get one, I could put some duct tape over it, maybe super glue it, just to keep dust and stuff from getting in there for now. And I did find some tools that actually fit in my Ugga Dugga drill right here, and we're going to be using this dude to take stuff off from now on, because it is such a pain in the butt to do it by hand. So now that is crooked. So this will be making it a lot easier for me to do stuff. But if you guys can see right here, this thing has come unglued completely, but Traxxas is not known for putting much glue on their tires. Like, look at this. That is barely anything. Get a little close up here. Look at that. There's like barely any glue on that. So we're going to re-glue this back up. Probably check all the rest of the tires here to make sure they're all glued on. I'll probably pop them all off real quick. Then we're going to duct tape the cover to make sure that doesn't get any dust in it. And then we're going to be swapping out the bumpers into stock bumpers. Let's get to work. All right, tires off. I think all these are pretty good. Now, the best way to do these tires, kind of peel back the edge like this, and then just kind of drip your glue on the inside seam here. When you let it go back, let it go real slow, because if it snaps back, you could get it in your eye, and you don't want that. And guys, always wear gloves when you're using super glue. Well, we won't be needing this anymore. This was for the LED lights up under the body, but I took those off, so rip, bye-bye. Then we unplug the lights for the bumpers here, and then we can remove all this. And then I got the stock bumpers right here, which we can put back on. Let's go. Remember, guys, when you're putting the screws back in, just put them on by hand. Otherwise, you're going to be stripping it out with the big old ugga-dugga drill here. Nobody wants that. Okay, as you can see, I put some duct tape over the top of the dust cover hole here, and I put duct tape on the inside, so it's kind of sticking to each other in the middle. Is it waterproof? Not at all. So I got to be careful about any water in the area. Otherwise, I'm going to have a very, very bad day. All right, old bumpers back on. No more wired mess. Oh, got to plug in my receiver. Duh. Well, I won't bore you guys with the mistakes I made. I'm going to throw the tires back on. Then we're going to take it back out for a rip. Bam! Next location. We are here up at the baseball diamond. I have brought some stuff with me. We're going to hit some ramps, go with the Stampede. It's a little bit windy out here.
What's up, guys?
And we got the crew. Now we're going to be running the Stampede. And obviously, we're going to be running the 2S still because your boy has not upgraded to 3S. Let's go rip. What in the world? That thing is so weird, man. Oh, it's flying into the woods. Bye. Well, here we are, baseball diamond ramps. You already see it. Yes, sir. Ah! That was a mess. No worries, I'm working on a better ramp at home. It's probably gonna take me another week or two. Ah, man. A little bit of flippage. The only thing I hate about it, you can't self-right. Whoops, started a weird flyer. Where'd it go? Look at that thing. It's toothless. Oh God. You wouldn't know better. That looks like a bat coming at you. And it makes weird noises. Just keeps going and going. It's the Energizer Dragon. Hey! Man, took this thing to the skate park. Now we're at the baseball diamond. Beating it down, and it's still surviving. And it goes through grass pretty good. See ya! Ah, too much beans.
Oh, brother.
We're going to do some shenaniganery. We're going to jump a human. Trust me, he's not an alien. All right, let me get a better angle. Hold on. I want to make sure I don't miss. Oh, he lost his elbow, but he's okay. See how she doing? She covered. Bearings are still loose. Good thing I greased them suckers up. Keeps her good. Yes, sir. Attempt number 2. Oh God. Here we go. Another human jump. Yeah. Oh God. Ugh. Coming straight at me, bro. We got the RCs out. We got a weird flying bat creature. It's all good. Send it. Ah, battery's dead. Tag and drags. Well, we beat her down. We had her at the skate park, and she still rutted pretty good. I think that is pretty good. You guys want to see some more action? Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and stay tuned.